everyone, so today's video is going to be on some everyday outfits for autumn, and I absolutely love all of these and I wear them all the time. So everything that I'm showing will be linked down below in the description box. I really hope you enjoy this, and let's get into it. So for my first look, I'm wearing one of my favourite jackets at the minute, which was from Zara. I just love the boucle effect on this so much. So then underneath, I've got on a white cropped sweatshirt from Pretty Little Thing with a pair of blue ripped jeans from Pull & Bear. I wanted to keep this a super casual look, so I've worn my Gucci trainers with this, and yeah, this is such an easy outfit for me for autumn. I've been wearing it a lot lately. On to outfit number 2. This is such a classic look for me, but you'll see in a minute what coat I've picked to wear with this. So I'm wearing my favourite pair of trousers from Pretty Little Thing. These are so comfy and you can get them in loads of different colours too. And then with it I've got on a button up top from Pull & Bear, and then for my shoes they're just my black Converse. And then the jacket I decided to wear with this one was this wrap one from Boohoo. I showed it in my best coats for autumn winter video, and I just think it's so great because you can so easily dress it up or down. I've got on an all black look, so I'm wearing a black roll neck top from Boohoo with my slogan bomber jacket from Mason Scotch, a black pair of Journey jeans from Topshop, and my patent knee-high boots from Boohoo. And breathe. I just love an all black look, especially for autumn winter, and I just think with the satin texture of the jacket and the patent boots and then the denim of the jeans really complement each other and create a bit of a contrast at the same time, which is what I always try and do. If I'm wearing an all black outfit, I try and make sure I pick different textures just so it stands out a little bit. For look 4, I'm wearing another all black look underneath, but then brightens it up with my white jacket. So this jacket was also from Zara. I'm not sure if they still do it, so I'll link some similar ones below. But I just thought the contrast of the black and the white looked nice. And then this time I've switched my knee-high boots for some suede ankle boots instead. Ankle boots like this are so good for autumn winter. I practically live in mine. Number 5, I've got on a vintage Nike sweatshirt which I've just tucked into this belted faux leather skirt from Missguided, tights, and then the same ankle boots as in the last outfit. I've just recently bought this skirt and I love it already, especially because of the fact it has a belt with it, so I don't need to think about putting one on and it just dresses it up for me. So then over the top I've put on my brown teddy coat from Boohoo. I'm getting so much wear out of this at the minute. Again, I'm not going to go on about it too much, but you guys know how much I love it. And then for outfit 6, I'm wearing this tan little jacket from Pretty Little Thing with a long sleeve top, which I think was from H&M maybe, light blue jeans from Revolve's Girlfriend denim, and then these boots, I'm obsessed with them. These are from Fairfax & Favour. They actually kindly gave me these. I didn't have to speak about them or feature them in this, but I do really like them and I definitely recommend getting them if you're looking to get them. They fit really well to your calves and the quality is super good. So yeah. I'd love to know what your favourite shops are. I feel like I'm always shopping at the same places at the minute, and I'd love to try some different brands, especially maybe from different countries too, so let me know in the comments. So that is it. I really hope you liked this. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. What's your go-to autumn outfit? I'd love to know, so let me know in the comments so I can take some outfit ideas from you. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all again in my next video. Bye guys.